Welcome to Crofts Estate Agents virtual viewing tour. I'm here today at number 31 East End, located in Kirmington. So just outside the front of the property. It's a deceptively spacious detached bungalow. It's been extended to the front to create a large walk-in bay window, as you can see. Off-road parking to the side for about 3 vehicles, and just over to the other side is the second part of the driveway, again for another 1, possibly 2 cars, depending on size. And there's a detached garage just located at the rear of the driveway. So we'll head down the driveway and I'll show you all that the rear garden has to offer in terms of scenery, and then what we'll do is we'll head inside before finishing the video tour. So in our opinion, this has to be the biggest selling point of the bungalow. Absolutely breathtaking views. Beautiful countryside scenery, the church and the rest of the village in the distance. Just head down the bottom as well, just down the garden, just so you can get another view looking right back at the property. So it's a generous sized rear garden, nice and wide, very private, and as you can see, not overlooked. Again, which I'll show you in a moment, another extension to the property is the kitchen, which will be the first room that we go into. So what we'll do, head back inside now. I'll show you all that the bungalow has to offer. You can access the property via the front and rear. I've come in through the rear today, and as you come in, you're greeted by this nice modern kitchen with quartz worktops. Just show you can see that beam, that's where the extension has come from. So it's created a bit of a galley kitchen, beautiful Belfast sink with draining board, and then more than enough space where the kitchen would have once been to have a dining table. Just show an angle of the hallway. Lovely and spacious, and right at the front is the front door with a small porch area. So we'll come in, we'll start at the back of the property and work our way through. This is the one of 3/4 bedrooms, which I'll explain in a moment. Go down this little part of sort of walkway, hallway area, go through this door, and then you're into another bedroom. Again, good sized room, double room for a double bed and some bedroom furniture. And again, absolutely stunning views. If you look out the window from this bedroom and the one we've just been into, overlooking all of the scenery that the property has to offer. So come back out. Now I mentioned that it's 3/4 bedrooms. What I mean by that is this room is currently used as an office. It's located at the side of the property, but again, it's a double bedroom. And depending on living requirements for the next owner, you've got the option, and there's that versatility that you could use it as a bedroom or keep it as an office or snug. Now the family bathroom, again, there's a little bit of a walkway, and what's happened is, again, I'll show you in a moment, the garage has been converted to create this additional space at the back, along with an ensuite to the master bedroom. So ultra modern. Marble tiles all round with slate tiles on the walk-in shower. We'll go into the master bedroom and show you the ensuite that was once a garage. It's been converted. Again, another double-sized room, UPVC window to the front, and then just through this archway, it's a large ensuite with three-piece suite, freestanding bath, basin and toilet there, with room for some additional storage and wardrobe space. And finally, just to conclude the video tour, we'll head into the living room. Excellent amount of living space in here. Again, just see from that beam up there, that's part of the extension, which then goes into the walk-in bay window.